When you go to Google Drive, you go to new under your Google Drive now, where you store everything that you are doing on your email, everything, your credentials. So you go to new, go to Google Form, then choose blank form. When you choose blank form, this is what is going to appear for you. Now you can you can uh, you can title, let's say, retailer customer information. So we want to create a questionnaire now. You can see these are the bar for questions. You see question, these are response, these are settings. So we are in question. If these are the outlook, this is how it looks. Immediately you change the name here. You can rename here. When you click once, you can rename, and it's automatically saving into your Google Drive. And if you just want to check the preview, you click here, you just going to show you the preview. Now, what is our first question? Customer name. Customer name. Here is a little bit of our drop down or anything. So if it's customer name, you just need a short answer. You click short answer, then you can duplicate. If you click on this require means this particular question should not submit, or this particular report should not submit until this person answer this question. So if I click on required, you will always see an asterisk. If you send a link to someone now, there will be an asterisk sign, meaning it's very important you answer that question before going forward. If you jump it, your form is not going to submit, your answer won't submit. So if you click here, this is what it means. But if you don't want it to be compulsory, just off it for them, so it will be optional. But you see, customer name is important, so you just have to on it. So here you can duplicate your question. I duplicate it. Then next thing is location. So as a data analyst, you just have to think out of the box to know how to collect your data and the things that you need to analyze your data. So location, short answer, required, fine. Let's say product type, product type. So here we don't we just want to, we have our product type in mind, so we don't need a short answer. So we just look for a drop down. So here this option will be let's say bag, shoe, clothes. So these are the options we have for the person that's going to answer, the respondent. So these are the questions we have. Let's say, let's just give it, let's add one more question. How do you want it to be delivered? So it's still a drop down, so that we can concise it. If you give them chance of short answer, people will just be writing nonsense. So you just use this drop down to manage the situation. House delivery, you give them option: house delivery, pick up. So you can cancel this, remove this third one. So you can have a suggestions. So this your suggestion won't be drop down. We need them to write as much as possible, so you can give them short answer or a paragraph. A paragraph means the person can write a lot of things there, so we put paragraph, long answer test. So I haven't had this. Now our questionnaire is ready. I come to send. Instead of send, I go to link. This is the button. I can actually send it to someone's email, attach email, then send. But here I just need the link. You click on the link, you shorten the link, it's too long, then you copy. Now I have copied Adewale location. So you can have plenty of questionnaires. So Lagos, product type, see how our drop downs comes. Bags, I choose bags. How do I want it to be delivered? House delivery. Suggestion box. Try to improve your timing or delivery timing. So then you submit. So this form, your response has been recorded. So if I come to this customer information, then this is where anybody that actually responds to it, we know from response here. Now we know we have questions, so when we come to response, you can see the names of people that have, you see, this is our brief summary of people that have answered those questions. So in our back end, we have customer names, which is Bisola Adewale Henry, location Kano, Lagos, Nigeria. Then one go for bags. We already have bags here. I think everybody go for bags. Then everybody go for house delivery. New response. So what do we do? How do we advance this? This is all, but you can actually convert it to spreadsheets so that you can see it in a raw data for us to analyze it. So how do we do that? You come to create spreadsheet. You click on it. It will automatically ask you create a new spreadsheet or select existing spreadsheet. So you are creating new. You create new. You will now see it in an Excel spreadsheet format. Now this is live Excel, unlike the one that we use to analyze, which is offline. This is online Excel. So you can see these are in real time. These are the time and dates this information comes in. You see customer name, location, bags, house delivery, and suggestion box. So this information now, maybe I don't want to analyze it here because it's somehow chaos or complicated. I want it to be downloaded. What do you have to do? You come to your file and download Microsoft Excel, not as PDF. If you download as PDF, it comes as PDF. If you download as CSV, it comes like this. So most of the time you download it as Microsoft Excel. You see it's going to download. It's downloading now. Immediately it downloads, you can open it straight up. It's going to open. Let's wait a little bit. So you see, enable editing. So you see we now have a data that we have collected from Google Form, which can be analyzed through our pivots. You can easily know the numbers, this, that in pivot by using this raw data to calculate it. So in a nutshell, you can I would like us to exploit this Google Form and how to create questions. Now this, you can always come back to this, edit and change and switch. You can easily manipulate it the way you want. You might say, okay, I just want to drag this one should be at the bottom of this one should go up. So you can switch it the way you like, and you can add questions. If you want to add questions, you just press plus here, add questions. It's going to bring it for you. You add another questions. So that is how to create Google form and how to collect data. So that your links, that if you come to send here, you just go direct to your links, shorten it, copy it, and send to the people that you want them to answer those questions for you. Then after doing that, you can come to your responses, or you come to your uh, Google spreadsheet, which is this that has been named already. Don't forget, anything you are doing is automatically saving into your Google Drive here. If you come to my recent, you will see customer is here now. So if I open it, it will still open again for me to download. So that is how it works.